Thinking about a Daikin air conditioner but wondering if it's a brand worth buying? With Daikin being the world's largest AC manufacturer and offering models ranging from value-friendly to ultra-efficient, this guide will help you cut through the options. Stick around to find out what real homeowners shared with us about their Daikin air conditioner and which Daikin models delivered the best combination of efficiency, reliability, and long-term value for your budget and Canadian or US climate. Daikin isn't just big. It's built its reputation on innovation. Owned by Daikin Industries of Japan, they also own Goodman and Amana here in North America. Despite the global scale, Daikin prioritizes quality, durability, and straightforward design. But while some brands chase flashy features, Daikin stays focused on core performance and solid warranty support. And since SEER 2 standards came into effect in 2023, understanding efficiency ratings has never been more important. Let's dive in. In Canada, a Daikin Central AC with installation typically runs between $3,500 and $6,000+, averaging around $5,200. On the value end, models like the DX13SN and DX14SA offer single-stage cooling with 14.5 to 15.5 SEER, good for smaller homes or mild climates. If you're chasing efficiency, the DX16TC two-stage model, up to 17 SEER, lands in the 4,500 to 5,500 range, while the DX20VC variable speed beast tops out near 24.5 SEER, but may be overkill for the Canadian climate. Daikin keeps it simple, but solid. Even entry-level units like the DX5SE include Copeland scroll compressors and CoreSense diagnostics, meaning quieter operation and easier troubleshooting. Move up to the DX16TC or DX18TC, and you get two-stage Copeland Ultratech scroll compressors, Daikin One Plus smart thermostat compatibility, and sound-optimized cabinets. At the top, the DX20VC includes inverter-driven variable speed swing compressors for ultra-fine climate control. But again, that's more tech than most homes need. Daikin stands out with a 12-year parts and unit replacement warranty on most models like the DX16TC, DX18TC, and DX20VC if registered within 60 days. Entry models still get 12-year parts and 6-year compressor coverage. Parts availability and service are strong thanks to Daikin's extensive North American dealer network, although they're selective about who sells and installs their equipment. According to homeowners we sampled, Daikin earned praise for reliability and quiet operation, with a 4.9 out of 5 homeowner rating and an average installed cost of $5,200. Reviewers often highlight the longevity, thanks to robust components and excellent diagnostics. However, they note that high-tech models require skilled installers. A poor install can undermine performance regardless of brand. So, which Daikin should you pick? If your priority is value and reliability, the DX14SA or DX5SE offers solid basic performance at the lower end. Want energy savings and quiet two-stage performance? Go for the DX16TC. It hits that sweet spot for homes with moderate to hot summers. Considering variable speed? Think hard about whether your climate and usage justify the premium DX20VC. And remember, right size unit and hire a certified installer to maximize efficiency and comfort. Always check for local rebates tied to Energy Star and high SEER units. Daikin combines global engineering, durable components, advanced diagnostics, and exceptional warranty coverage across its lineup. For most Canadian and US homes, the DX16TC represents the best balance of efficiency and value, while entry-level models still offer dependable performance. Check out the full review and more buying guides, real customer reviews, and interactive tools and cost calculators at FurnacePrices.ca. And if you found this video useful or interesting, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more.